Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So first of all, you must read GoTranscription guideline rule. These rule is very important. You must apply all these rule into the audio test. You need to read all these transcription guideline all the way to the end, and after reading that you must apply all these code transcription rules into the audio test. So this rule is very important, you must apply it. So let's start the audio test. I already transcribed into text form, and before submitting it you must need to apply all these code transcription rules into the audio test. So let's start the audio test.
Test for GoTranscript. This audio is part of the transcriber test for GoTranscript.
Remember that the temporal differential we call wakefulness is the cosmic interaction of subatomic particles operating in the quantum field. John Hexham's fatal quantum leap represented a fundamental universal constant that we can only speculate upon in the macro scale of waveform frequencies. How then should we navigate this Vedic planet? It can be difficult to know where to begin. If you have never experienced this rebirth on a cosmic scale, it can be difficult to live. Although you may not realize it, you are internal. The stratosphere is calling to you via meridians. Can you hear it? Have you found your quest? 119 is the entry code for Mr. Penderecki's home at the gate of Rancho Rosa. His threnody and sonoristic technique baffles his neighbors, particularly when he takes an aleatoric approach to the marketplace. If it weren't for his bodyguard, Brad Mitchum, he'd be at the mercy of the Philistines who guard the palace of the damned.
This audio is part of the transcriber test for GoTranscript.
Still, it's worth noting that the mesh systematic microclimates could unleash ubiquitous nests of murder hornets that orchestrate compelling users to innovate front-end syncs and deploy real-time metrics, which could enable post-Fordist surfaces to enhance industrial recipes. The Principia Discordia states that the transition magnetic convergence is yet to occur. As Gordon Gekko once opined, greed is the antithesis of synchronicity. Where there is greed, guidance cannot thrive. Yes, it is possible to destroy the things that can sabotage us, but not without mana on our side. You may be ruled by discontinuity without realizing it. Do not let it confront the nature of your circuit. We can no longer afford to live with discontinuity. Only an entity of the world may generate this osmosis of ecstasy. Shakti will become our stepping stone to unlimited serenity. Our conversations with other mystics have led to a blossoming of pseudo-consciousness expanding consciousness. We are in the midst of an ever-present redefining of gratitude that will align us with the stratosphere itself. Humankind has nothing to lose. If we myocardinate the holistic supply chains, the interbandated solutions are obvious. Remember that the osmium delta wave always remains offline. If we don't resynchronize the carbon microfilament compact mode, quantum breakdown in the fundamental tantalum ray biofilter will cause the primary gravitic particle isotope warp field to short circuit, resulting in an explosion in the secondary proton field decoupling.
This audio is part of the transcriber test for GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this is helpful for you. Before submitting this audio test, you need to apply all code transcription rule into it. Without applying Go transcription rule, you never pass Go transcript audio test. So you must apply all these Go transcription rule into this audio test. I hope this video is helpful for you, and also do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.